Root Beer Master here again, and now I am going to open up a Demon Slayer pack. Let's hope for some rare cards. Honestly, I'm not even concerned about rare cards. I just want cool stuff for the decks I build. But I'm not even sure what that is. Oh, what is this one? Inosuke? Tanjiro Comedy? The lower six? Coming through? Oh, I like this card. Mitsu, the Love Hashe. Pay 1, this character gains a 2500 BP until the end of the turn. That's actually a decent yellow card. I might use that. So that's something. Guru, Flying Blood Sickles. Oh, Draw Power. I may use this one too. This isn't bad. Rienzu, 1500. 1 for a 2 cost. When played, return one of their character on the field. But it's red. Karajushi. Oh, I needed a Nesco. That's a good one. Happy to get that. And ooh, the Misthashi. 4,000. Is this an SR? Not bad. Not a bad pack. And thank you for watching.